Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at GreenShift's content toggler block on WordPress. Alright, so this is a video series, a mini-series if you will, on GreenShift's blocks and taking a look at them individually. So to get started, let's go ahead and make a brand new blank page as a blank slate to take a look at this block in detail. So there's a couple ways to do this. If you're logging in with your username and password as admin, you'll end up here on the dashboard. On your left-hand sidebar, there's Pages, and click on Add New Page. Alternatively, if you're anywhere on your site and you're logged in, you'll have this top toolbar. Go ahead and hover on New and click on Page. It's going to make a brand new blank page for us and take us to the WordPress block editor. Alright, once we're here in the block editor, let's go ahead and do some housekeeping. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, this toolbar, click on this button called Settings. It's right beside the Publish button. Make sure it's out and seen because this is where we will toggle and adjust our settings for our block. Next, let's go ahead and give a name to our page to keep things organized. Content toggler block test. And let's go ahead and add the block using the block inserter. It's this blue button over here with the plus icon. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit and see we have GreenShift elements, and it's not here, unfortunately. However, if we scroll down a bit more, we'll find this section called Extra Elements. This G over here is the GreenShift logo, and let's drag and drop Content Toggler over here. Okay, once it's there, let's go ahead and click on X to give us more space. And we can edit what we want here. This is just this text. This text is just a placeholder text. If we were to type anything there, it's just blank. Alternatively, we can go ahead and click on, I think it's Open Box, and we'll have this plus icon here, or we can just drag and drop anything from our block inserter over here. Let's say an image. And the line will be over here. We can just type some space here and upload something from our media library. Let's say our icon over here, website assets, and let's go ahead and center that. And let's go back here to our content toggler. We can open the box, close the box. Okay, we can change the height of the toggle, right, to show more or show less, 80 maybe. You can see, hey, what's that say? We can change the label to reveal, and then the close label is hide it from me. All right, and then you can if we clicked on this, but it doesn't work here because we're on the block editor. And if we opened and closed it, we'll have to do it from here. Okay, we can also change the alignment. So this one is going to be over here, but I'll keep it in the middle just to keep it organized. We can change the background color. For the fade color, let's say this red one over here. When we close it, it looks like that. Okay, we can also change the typography. So the text color, we can make it bright red, or actually deep blue would be nice. And then hover color, we can also change it. Let's say green when we hover over it, and then we can close the box, right? And we have our options, our decorations here for text. We can also change our margins and spacing. Okay, so for our advanced settings, we have CSS transformations, and we can scale it, make it darker, make it lighter, skew it XY, add perspective, change the cursor. Our solid position options here are hard positioning, desktop, tablet, and mobile visibility. So if I wanted to hide this for mobile users for whatever reason, I could do that. This is an add-on, unfortunately, and additional CSS stuff. So once we're happy with this, let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at it on our live site once it's done saving. Okay, it's done saving. Let's go ahead and click on View Page to see it on our live site. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. This is GreenShift's content toggler block. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.